guys, hello. Trey. Shout out to Elastic. Elastic without the E. Yeah. Oh, crap. I lost control of my controller. Crap. Now I gotta run. Okay, guys. We're back in. We're going against Minnesota, then another team. I'm a power forward. A 7-foot power forward on the Brooklyn Nets. Shoot it. Dang it. I'm playing on rookie also. I'm not that good. But still pretty good. Nah. Julius Randle, you ain't backing me down for nothing. We're about to see if I was playing the 2K27, I'd be going against fucking LaMelo Ball, man. And whoever they drafted. What? Sure. Just once I finish this game. Never mind, guys. I'm just doing this game. One game. Aha! Why is Anthony Edwards a 97 overall? I hate this. I get he's in his prime, but like... Oh, shoot. He's the best defender, I guess. That was a bad shot. Did they just say 3%? Nah, bro. There you go. Leave me alone. No, I want to set a screen. I'm not trying to, like, get past you. Get off of me. If this is a better view, hit that like button. If it's a worse view, hit that subscribe button. Just hit both so I'm quiet, please. Boom! I love being 7 foot. All my other accounts, like people that I've made, hold up. Hey, don't you dare try to bite me. Block that. Block that shit. Oh, Anthony Edwards, rap.
Gotcha.
Boom. Step it. Oh, I'm swimming? My cat was just loving on me. Shoot. Where's mine? The heck? Guys, I just gotta charge my control. Sorry for the wait. What was that for then? I know this is just a random question, but I mean, thing to say right now, but RIP Oliver Tree. If I don't. Mike Conley. Buzz. Hey. Are none of these people a starter besides me? No! I just got stolen from by Rudy Gobert. It's crazy. How'd he grab that? How bad of ball handling does this power forward freaking have? Freaking have. Kobe. Nobody can guard me. I'm just a rookie. Nobody can guard me. It would be nice to be drafted by the Minnesota Timberwolves, though. Let's go. Nice defense. Damon. I don't know how to say your name. That should have been an and one. I even heard the smack through my headset. Give me the fucking ball. I'm gonna be so far away. Oh no. Yeah, you're bald now. Never mind. You're not bald. It's 204. try to bite me. That was not nice. Boom. Boom. Nobody can guard me. I'm telling you right now. The only people that can guard me is me, myself, and I. Get out. Bum, bum, dun, dun, dun. I just love getting past too. I don't care if I take the dumbest shot in the world has ever seen. They need a 3 to tie it up, but Anthony Edwards always goes for the and 1 instead. Tough defense. I see. Oh, I almost just punched my teammate. Oh, I couldn't see him. I did not mean to pass it to MPJ. Boom. Stop it. No, come here. Julius Randle, come here. Nah, he missed. I thought he'd make that. 2K be doing some of these players dirty. Bro, this guy right here, he looks like he's Dylan Harper. I think that's him I'm talking about. I think I got the name right. Hey, my cat doesn't like me. I keep forgetting to guard him because of my cat. My cat's so distracting. Boom. I tried to play on pro, but there was no green. I would never make a shot. Then Asar Thompson just frickin' dunked on somebody. He got like a body. I was on Miami. I think he dunked on it was Bam. I did not press that. Come here, Julius Randle. Let's go. Did I get a block too? Yeah, I did. I hate how they call when I'm in the paint for 3 seconds. But they were in there before me, and then I get called for it. I hate it. Miss! Yes. No, Rudy Gobert. Why does he have a height advantage? And Trey also told me to go max on height, max on like everything. I'd need to be power forward if like Yao Ming or Wemby was on my team. Can't be freaking power forward on the Nets. Manute Bol, maybe? Let's go! That feels so good. Oh, I have 47? I thought I had 27 or something like that. I'll tell you guys my stats at late game. I know you guys can't see it. No! Can't skip. I skipped it. I skipped it. They showed he was injured. Now I'm guarding Rudy Gobert. Naz Reid's no, never mind. I thought this was Rudy Gobert. I'm sorry, whoever this number 12 guy is. Why can Naz Reid frickin' shoot threes? No! Guys, I just sold. I may have just sold the game by missing that. Let me out of here. Oh my gosh. Almost got called for a 3-second violation. I'm here. Kobe. Okay, I got in. I can't let them catch up. If they catch up in points, like, this will be dangerous. They're about to go for a screen. Trust me. I told you. I know their plays. Give me the ball. Why? I wanted the rebound. Okay. Oh my god. Did we call the timeout? Yeah, we did. We're winning by 6. This could go down to the final possession. It actually could. We've blown out every single team we've gone against. Was that a flop? Anthony Edwards, I hate your defense. You're so good. But I hate that. You're so good. Like, you're guarding me. I'm a power forward. I'm 7 foot. You're like 6'5" or something like that. Anthony Edwards. No way. Don't make that. Yes. Right here. Fade away. No. I got Anthony. Oh shoot. He's too fast. Here, guys. Here. I have a high IQ play. There you go. Let's go. I was gonna come set a screen though. Come guard me, little boy. Oh, bro, why did Rudy Gobert come out of absolutely nowhere? Why'd that rhyme? Bro, Louis A. Shout out to Louis A. He hates when things rhyme. I don't know why, but he does. He's my favorite YouTuber. No offense to anybody else. But he just is. Oh crap, I ran into people. I accidentally ran into those people. I didn't think I ran that far. We're winning by 2. So what we need is me. You're lucky you drafted me. You're lucky you drafted me. I'm not going to miss any more shots. Like, I'm Jalen Brunson, 4th quarter, 1 minute left instead. I'm Jalen Brunson. Just can dunk. Just doesn't decide to. Sorry. I hope that didn't hurt your ears, but if it did, I'm sorry. We're winning this. We're going to win it by 5. Yep. This is all down to the wire. We're winning by 5. Timberwolves ball. Julius Randle just dunked. Shit. He almost just dunked on me. Unless he did. I'm not missing any more shots. It's clutch time. It's crunch time. No, I'm not missing any more shots. Julius Randle. Yeah, I'm not missing any more shots. Give me the ball. Over here. Thank you. Thank you for no! My character sucks at free throws. I could ice the game here, though. Here, have it. Why are you giving me the ball? I'm not good at free throws. These are the clutchest free throws of my MP's career. No! At least they were chanting MVP. I'm happy. I'm happy now. Okay, Rudy. Pass. Give me the free throws. These are my free throws, bro. P. Oh, crap. Just so you guys know it, I missed that free throw. You guys hear them? They're chanting MVP. What is AEAX block? I have no idea what that is, but you guys gotta keep it. Bum, 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 bum. We're not dancing like that. This is clutch time, bro. Crunch time. Why do I keep saying clutch time? Yes, keep me in. I'm gonna be the best player here. Julius Randle screen. No crap.